Hello friends, my name is Ramasood. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the understanding of the project environment. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and very important with respect to project management, especially if you are a student of PMP or planning to give exam of project management near future. So this is a very important and interesting topic for you. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start, friend. Understanding the project environment. Friend, there are many factors that needs to be understood within your project environment. The important factor to consider within the project environment, at one level you need to think in terms of the cultural and social environments. For example, the people, demographics and education. The international and political environment is where you need to understand about different countries, cultural influences. Then we move to the physical environment. Here we think about the time zones, think about different countries and how differently your project will be executed, whether it is just in your country or if it involves an international project teams that is distributed throughout the world in 5 different countries. Okay, so of all the factors, the physical one are the easiest to understand, and it is the cultural and international factors that are often misunderstood or ignored. How we deal with clients, customers or project members from other countries can be critical to the success of the project. For example, the culture of the United States values accomplishments and individualism. Americans tend to be informal and call each other by first names, even if having just met. Europeans tend to be more formal, using surnames instead of first names in a business setting, even if they know each other well as well. In addition, their communication style is more formal than in the United States, and while they tend to value individuals, they also value history, hierarchy, and loyalty. The Japanese, on the other hand, tend to communicate indirectly and consider themselves part of a group, not as individuals. The Japanese value hard work and success as most of us do. How a product is received can be very dependent on the international culture differences. For example, in the 1990s, when many large Americans and European telecommunication companies were cultivating their new markets in Asia, their customers' cultural differences often produced unexpected situations. Western companies planned their telephone systems to work the same way in Asia as they did in Europe and the United States, but the protocol of conversation was different. Call waiting, a popular feature in the West, is considered impolite in some parts of Asia. This cultural blunder could have been avoided had the team captured the project environment requirements and involved with the customer. It is often the simplest things that can cause trouble, since unsurprisingly in different countries people do things differently. One of the most example of this is also one of the most simple date formats. What day and month is 2/8 slash 2021. Of course, it depends where you come from. In North America, it is February 8, while in Europe, it is 2nd August. Clearly, when schedules and deadlines are being defined, it is important that everyone is clear on the format of date which is being used for the project. The diversity of practices and culture is impacting on products and on general and on software development in particular goes well beyond the date issue. You may be managing a project to create a new website for a company that sells product worldwide. There are language and presentation style issues to take into consideration. Converting the site into different languages is not enough. It is obvious that you need to ensure the translation is correct. However, the presentation layer will have its own set of requirements for different cultures. The left side of a website may be the first focus of attention for a Canadian. The right side would be the initial focus for anyone from the Middle East, as both Arabic and are written from right to left. Colors also have different meanings in different cultures. White, which is a sign of purity in North America, for example for bride's wedding dress, and thus would be a favored background color in North America, signifies the death in Japan. So friend, hope you would like this video and it could be helpful for you to understand that how it is important the cultural differences, social, international, political and physical important, how much it is important to understand. So hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you friends.